because we know it is already discussed that during daytime Earth's surface becomes, that is land near ocean, becomes hot quickly, but air above the ocean water is not heated up quickly. It takes more time because specific heat of water is greater than that of the land materials. What do you mean by specific heat? Specific heat is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of a body through 1 degree Celsius. Through 1 degree Celsius, right? Remember this H, that is the amount of heat, M, S, and rise or fall in temperature. That is, if heat is gained, then this is rise in temperature. If heat is lost, this is decrease in temperature. Okay, this is the specific heat. MST, this is the specific heat. Right? Specific heat. H equal to MST. M multiplied by S and multiplied by T. That is temperature. Sometimes you write it as delta T, del T. Right? Here S is specific heat. Hence, if M1 T1, then H equal to S. That is, the specific heat of a substance is defined as the amount of heat required to unit mass of a body through 1 degree temperature, rise or fall in temperature, right? M1 T1, M1, if M1 T1, then H becomes S, equal to S. That is, the rise in temperature of unit mass of a substance through 1 degree, maybe 1 degree Celsius, 1 Kelvin, etc. Mass may be gram, kilogram, etc. is called the amount of heat required to rise the temperature of unit mass, that is 1 gram or 1 kilogram mass through 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin, is called specific heat in CGS and SI systems respectively. But specific heat, actually from another definition we have, it is no unit. It is the ratio of two similar quantities, physical quantities. Now, in the night time, that is, in this case, land becomes quickly. Here, ocean, above ocean, sea or ocean, above ocean, the air becomes hot and lighter, and hence a pressure difference is created between the land and the ocean. In this case, land being at high pressure than sea, ocean, air above ocean surface, above ocean, hence air blows from land to ocean, and it is occurs at night. It is called land breeze. Right? It is already discussed. Now, main things is at the daytime. Main things is the daytime. In this time, land becomes quickly heated up due to its low specific heat of the materials on the land, formation in the land, that is, land constitutes materials have low specific heat than water. So in this case, land becomes quickly heated up than water in the ocean, and hence air above the ocean is comparably cool than the air above the land. Hence, in this case, air above the land becomes lighter, being heated up, and moves upwards. But being cool air above the ocean, it has high density, that is, at a high pressure, the air from the ocean rushes towards the land, and this is called sea breeze, which occurs at daytime. Sea breeze gives us a lot amount of water vapor or water from the ocean, and hence in a seasonal way we have monsoon wind. This wind is called monsoon wind. Remember it. This is very important for us, for irrigation, etc. It is essential for the development of plants, etc. Water is essential for the nutrients, etc. Right? Now, cyclone. What do you mean by cyclone? Remember it. Cyclone is actually storm with high speed. Remember it. With high speed are blown above the surface of the earth. Remember it. Here the cyclone has a high speed wind, and it has a central part, central region, which is the eye, actually at very low pressure. It is called eye. The center portion of the cyclone is called eye. It is called eye, right? Eye is during formation, it is at stationary state, but it moves with the cyclone ultimately, and the speed formation of a cyclone is about 200 km per hour or more. It is a dangerous effect for this. Various names are given for cyclone: hurricane, tornado, etc. In the case of, we know that typhoon is named in the Philippines region, and hurricane is at the different American countries are formed as hurricane, right? Remember that. Now, during thunderstorm, that is thunder associated with storm, it's called thunderstorm. During thunderstorm, some precautions must be written. That is, we don't stay under the big tree or open house, etc. And in this time, we don't lie on the earth's surface. It is also essential. Some precautions must be taken for this purpose to save life. And for the cyclone, we must be take shelter in a house which is made for that tremendous speed of cyclone, so that it cannot blown up, right? Remember it. Now some questions are discussed from your book. What is dash is a mixture of gases. Dash is a mixture of gases. What will be the answer? Answer will be air. Air is a mixture of gases. Air is not a compound. It is a mixture of gases. Next, the layer of air above the earth is called atmosphere. And it is divided into 5 layers, that is troposphere, starting from troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere or an exosphere. ঠিক আছে, right? Ionosphere or thermosphere also. Air dash on cooling and experts on dash. Air dash on cooling and experts on dash. Air contracts on cooling. That is, if it is cool, its volume will be decreased. And expands on heating. That is, on heating, its volume will be increased. Right? Hence, the answer will be air contracts on cooling and expands on heating. Next, high speed winds are accompanied by air pressure. High speed winds are accompanied by huge pressure. Next, we have some questions. Moving air is called dash. Moving air is called dash. Right? Moving air is called wind. Warm air is dash than cold air. Warm air is lighter than cold air. Remember it. The instrument used to measure the speed of wind is called? The speed of wind is measured by the anemometer. What will be the spelling? A-N-E-M-O. Anemo. A-N-E-M-O-M-E-T-E-R. Anemometer. A-N-E-N-O-M-E-T-E-R. Anemometer is a device used for measurement of speed of wind. Right? Next question, very short answer type question. Why are equatorial regions of the earth very hot? It is already discussed. Since it is at a lower distance than polar region from the sun, hence it is heated up quickly. What is a thunderstorm? Thunder associated with storm and lightning is called thunderstorm. What are monsoon winds? Already mentioned. Monsoon winds are the seasonal winds when in the daytime land becomes lighter than ocean, air above ocean, and hence air above ocean being cold, having high density and high pressure, so it rushes towards the land, which carry a tremendous amount of water, that is water vapor, on the lands, and hence heavy rainfall, sometimes heavy rainfall occurs. This is called monsoon. Wind, monsoon. Monsoon winds. Why do tornadoes occur frequently? Especially in the America, that is United States of America, in that region, and also in some of the regions, another regions also have obtained it. Next question. USA and Canada will be an answer. Next question. Explain why holes are made in banners. You see that in a banner some holes are given. This is because if holes are not given, what happens? During the wind blows on the banner, it has high pressure, it gives high pressure on the banner, and hence the banner may be torn out or may be grounded. To avoid this, we make some holes on the banner so that air passes through it and the pressure given by wind is somewhat becomes low, and hence banner is not in not fallen or torn out, right? Next question. Why are ventilation of our houses located near the roof? You see that ventilation of a room is located near the ceiling, right? You see near the ceiling. This is because when we located at house, then during breath carbon dioxide is released and it is hot, so that these hot gases is expelled from the room, hence they move upwards and then they go out from the house. It is also a reason, or any other gas formation in a room, they will be escapes out from the right ventilator. Now it is already mentioned what is atmosphere, what causes atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure, cause of atmospheric pressure, we know the air surrounding the earth has a weight, and it is approximately 5.5 into 10 to the power 18 kilogram, right? This huge weight of air. When the weight of air of a column of air vertically exerted on unit area, surface area of the earth gives air pressure. This is called air pressure. And if it is taken, that is air pressure is taken at the sea level at 0 degree Celsius temperature and 45 degree latitude, then the 76 centimeter of mercury column air will be the standard atmospheric pressure. Standard atmospheric pressure is 1.01325 into 10 to the power of 6 dyne per square centimeter, or 1.01325 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square or Pascal. Remember, in the next class we explain another questions and start the new chapter, right? Okay, thank you.